कॉन्फिडेंस ऊर्जा से आती है. Hey guys, I want to say about English. ये खुद जो ये जो सेल्फ है ना दबा देता है फटाक से, मनोबल टूट जाता है. हेलो एवरीबॉडी, जब आप तेरी खींच के ना निकाल दिया करो. हमारे सबके अंदर एंजाइटी होती है. एवरीबॉडी हैज एंजाइटी गाइस इन द हार्ट. व्हेन यू कम एंड से गाइस आई वांट टू से समथिंग, inferiority complex attacks you. And if people start considering you that you have inferiority complex, they will start having superiority complex. And if you believe, if you think that they have superiority complex, you cannot speak confidently. And if you come everybody, why are you clapping? If you come with a clap, with confidence, people will have inferiority complex and I will have superiority complex. So come on, Barry, say whatever you, जूता चप्पल कुछ भी बोलो लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलो. आ जाओ भैया महफिल में.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी.
अभी भी ऊर्जा नहीं, रुको पहले इसको यहाँ लगा लो. एकदम ऊर्जा से आओ, जैसे लग रहा है कि मंडप में आ रहे हो. जल्दी आओ. यस.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी. प्लीज टेल मी व्हाई आर यू केम.
Why did you come here?
Why did you come here? Yes. Yes, I know. I know. Everyone is come here to speak English, to become fluent. But
नहीं, ब्लेम नहीं करना है, प्रॉब्लम बतानी है, ब्लेम नहीं करना है. अभी कोई गुस्सा कर जाएगा. देखो गुस्सा हो भी गई थी कि हाउ कैन यू से दैट आई एम नॉट फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश. प्रॉब्लम्स बताइए इंडिविजुअली नहीं बस.
Yeah. I know your communication is not very good. I know, but you can improve your communication. You can improve your communication doing hard work, doing after going to
eye contact.
After going to your home, your room, you will always make videos to improve your communication. Personally, you just open your phone and make videos. If you regularly make one video, you will be become after 3 minutes.
Look at everybody. Look at everybody. Look at everybody. Look at everybody.
Fluent speaker.
Yes,
guys, believe me. If you will become a fluent speaker, if you try to record one video daily, you will become a fluent speaker. So, guys, when you will go to your room, then from today you will start. From today you will start to record one video daily. One video. Video length is not more times, but only 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Right.
If you will record only 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you after 1 month you will see, you will change. If you
play with your voice. Play with your voice. Play with your voice. Sometimes vocal, right. हाँ, तो मोटिवेशनल बात कर रहे हो ना, तो न्यूट्रल नहीं रहेगा.
So everyone, I request you. I request you.
हाँ.
Try to do, because I know that if I motivate you only 2 minutes, after 2 minutes you will forget.
Yes.
But
you do not have to forget.
You do not.
You do not have to forget.
You do not have to forget. Please consider.
My friends.
My
My
friends.
friends. My dear friends.
My dear friends.
I want to request you.
I request you. Please make videos.
And remember. Recording videos is not only important.
Is not only important.
Think about
beauty of communication.
Build the beauty of communication.
Build
Build the confidence. चलो ठीक है, very nice, very nice. Hayat, what is your beauty actually? Why should people like you? Why should people talk to you? Why should people have friendship with you? Tell me. Go confidently.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning. Good morning.
How are you all?
I'm good.
I can see that you are already energized and you are ready to listen me what I'm going to say and what I'm going to convey. So today I'm here to express my quality, what I have in me, and why do you like me? Why should you like me? Like there should be a reason you should like me. So I'm going to tell you all that what quality I have. I think I'm a very disciplined person. if I talk about my daily routine, I daily woke up at 6 a.m. and start my day gradually. I take a bath and
It's boring, it's boring. Who will talk to you? Who will listen to you like this? I also wake up at 7 o'clock and 6 o'clock. That's the quality. Ladies and gentlemen, I can make you smile. That's my beauty. I can make you cry. That's my beauty. मतलब कुछ ऐसी क्वालिटी बताओ जिससे लोगों को लगे हाँ यार कुछ है मामला अच्छा इसका. In future में भी टास्क ऐसे दिए जा सकते हैं आपको.
Yes.
Right? Why should people like you? Why should people be impressed by you? Right? Come on. I know how to do the hospitality. I know how to welcome people. I have that, inner grooming that I can make people smile. Dear sir, किसी का हाथ में आ रही, hello sir, please come here, talk to me sir. What's your name? You look so smart and beautiful today. थोड़ा सा ना मतलब कुलजुला दिया करो, एकदम से झमोड़ दिया करो. सच्ची बता रहा हूँ. जय सूरज के पास.
Hello Suraj, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm damn
Just
fine.
be here. Just be here. I think what I personally think that I have a quality of
Yes.
hospitality.
Yes.
How to be hospitable to a woman, how to be hospitable to a man.
Exactly.
Like how to impress her, how to impress him.
Yes.
So what do you think? Like you are able to copy my quality? Like
Yes, why not?
yes.
If you are good, then I cater this quality.
Yes, definitely. But what do you think? What other qualities I should have to impress them? What do you think?
Actually, I'm not getting your words. Can you please
Elaborate?
elaborate once again?
Yes, I can elaborate it. Like if I have to impress this man,
Yeah.
this beautiful man,
Yeah.
how?
He's a smart man.
Yes, he's a handsome man.
Yeah.
How I can make him happy? How I can make him smile? Give me a very unique way.
Actually, when you should smile someone, then you elaborate some quality and good qualities it
Yes.
have.
Yes.
And
Yes,
like
yes.
his person, why
You should appreciate him.
why you should appreciate, and why actually he was a good man, and I think he was see in the positive way
I think
his quality.
He has started sleeping.
Suraj, guys, I think he has got my point. What I really want to say from bottom of my heart, that if everyone want to impress anybody, I will say just impress her by their qualities. Just praise them. What do they have? Like if I have to praise this man, I will say like your shirt is very good, man. From where you have purchased it? Like this.
Very nice. And remember guys, whenever you touch anybody, but especially do not touch any opposite gender. If you touch body, do not touch for a long time. Right? And if you compliment any outfit, do not touch that as well. For example, wow, your pant is good. You should not do like that. Your lower is good. पता चला मामला हो जाए. हाँ, it should not be like that. अब the way he came, sir, your shirt is good. Yeah, I just thought about it. Maybe it can happen. By the way, so there are some people, they're unconfident. I'm just going to make them do activity. Come on. Hello, ma'am. What's your name?
Monica, sir.
There was a girl, and I just wanted to approach and say something. She was looking like you, And today I finally found you. Should I say something to you?
Yes, sir, of course.
I wanted to kidnap that girl. Should I kidnap you?
Why should you want to kidnap them?
Because she was my Didi, that's why.
He's like your Didi.
Of course. She actually.
Oh, sorry.
I wanted to kidnap because I wanted her to tie Rakhi actually.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, then
So can you?
Yes, of course.
Please come here. Sit down here. You have to sit down here. Come on. Take it. You have to tell people the beauty of girls. What is actual beauty of girls? Please tell.
They
Yes.
have a lot of beauty of girls. As I talk about the beauty of
good.
inner sight. what you think about the girls. They have a inner beauty, they have a outer beauty. Not I'm talking about the outer beauty. Is a like a makeup, put on your face on makeup and show some. There are many girls shows them attitude. They have a lot of, but many girls have a not attitude. So
बहुत अच्छे, very nice.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
If I talk about the inner beauty, they are talking about the if we are talking about the child, they are talking about the child like she should be scold them. No, that is wrong, bro. That is absolutely wrong. And if you are talking about the elder, like a grandmother, grandfather, you have to show respect. You
Right.
have to talk with her politely.
Exactly.
Yes.
Very nice.
You should have to talk with her.
Come off.
Yeah.
Walk slowly and talk to people. Walk slowly, talk to people.
Sir, what you think about how should be a girl to become a good manners? What you think about them?
Can you elaborate your questions once again?
So what you think about girls should be make them like how to talk with someone?
Actually, in my point of view,
Yeah.
when you are go to someone and talk with politeness,
Yeah.
you should always think. You should think.
Monica, don't talk individually. Talk to people. Only tell them, guys, the beauty of girls is not about applying makeup, but also inner grooming. जैसे आप यहाँ बोल रहे थे ना,
Yes, sir.
बस motivate करके चली जाइए, एकदम professionally,
Yes, sir.
बिना डर के, yes, without fear, can do it.
So, ma'am, what do you think about
Again, individually you're coming. You do not have to go individually. You have to go collectively. You have to go
Yeah.
collectively.
Girls have a many beauty in inner side and outer side. Boys also have a lot of kindness, beauty. If I talk about the girls,
ये देखिए हाथ आप कर दो ऐसे. Dear boys,
dear boys,
हाँ, dear girls.
dear girls,
Let me tell you.
let me tell you.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली मतलब ऐसी नजाकत में जान लोगों के अंदर डर पैदा कर दीजिए
Yeah.
अपनी तरफ से.
Okay.
आपको नहीं लगेगा आप डर में हैं, राइट? हेलो एवरीबॉडी.
Hello, everybody.
Let me tell you the beauty of girls. I am girl. So let me tell you about boys as well. You guys are boys. So I want to tell you that what actually beauty is. So the beauty is all about. Look at her.
Yeah.
मतलब जोड़ लो लोगों को, चेन बना लो खतरनाक तरीके से.
Okay.
आइए
Yeah, sure.
आइए, come on. Hello. एकदम yes.
Hello, everyone.
हाँ ठीक है चल लो कोई नहीं.
Look at her. He's looking so
He?
pretty. Oh, sorry.
Hello mister. Exactly. कुछ भी.
No, sorry.
No problem.
She's looking so pretty. How she's sweet. How she's sweet.
How sweet she is.
How sweet she is.
But guys, don't be sweet.
But
हाँ कुछ ऐसा बोलो.
don't see him.
Don't see him. कुछ गड़बड़ है. Don't see him.
Don't see her.
All right, no problem. Taxi, please take this. Monica.
Yes.
Please. You have to tell why you came here. Why you came? आप यहाँ क्यों आई भाई? हमें लगता है you should not have come. Why did you come here?
I tell you,
You have to tell people. Hello guys, I came here because. Come on.
good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
And first of all, I tell about why I came to join this institute because I do the practice at my home, and some people ask me questions why you join this institute because you already do the practice at your home. But today I tell about why I join this institute because I improving my English skills.
I am improving.
I am.
हाँ, I am. मैं कर रही हूँ ना. I am improving.
I am improving my English skills, English speak, because I want to perfectly, fluently English speaking because it's my future time. It's my future time.
हाँ. It's my career.
Because I develop my career, and It's fine.
ठीक है, आइए आप भी यहाँ पे बैठिए तो। हेलो,
Hello.
आप तो एकदम से लग रहा है मुफ्ती महबूबा हो गई। एग्जैक्टली राइट। हेलो,
Hello.
उड़ती चलूं। बोलिए, उड़ती चलूं,
उड़ती चलूं,
चलती फिरूं,
चलती फिरूं,
मस्त गगन
मस्त
में।
गगन में।
Did you listen this song?
Yeah, उड़ती
Oh,
चलूं,
चलती फिरूं।
चलती मस्त गगन में। ये this is the song of Pari.
I don't know, but I heard some.
Yeah.
पापा की परी? Really? I'm sorry then. Right. कोई नहीं। Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Look at me.
Look at me.
I'm the most beautiful girl. ऐसे नाजाकत में करना पड़ेगा।
I am most beautiful the girl.
ऐसे कैसे? हम थोड़ी नहीं है। फिर I'm the most, कैप्स और most कैसे हो गए? अपने लिए।
I am most beauty of the girl. I am most.
I noticed one thing, जब लड़कियां को बनती हैं, इतराती हैं ना, तो उनका हाथ से कली की तरह चला जाता है। ये देखो, है ना, तो ऐसे हो जाता है। तो आपको भी ऐसे करना है, right? Yes, right. I'm the most beautiful. बोलिए।
I am most beautiful of the girl.
Of the girl?
You say that of.
I'm the most beautiful girl
I'm
of the
most-
world.
I am most beautiful of the girl.
Because
Because.
अब वहाँ हाथ नहीं रहेगा। Because I am knowledgeable.
I am
I
knowledgeable.
have wisdom.
I have
I
wisdom.
have freedom.
I have freedom.
I have knowledge.
I have knowledge.
Information.
I have information.
And gentlemen.
And ladies and gentlemen.
Feel कर बोलो, ladies and gentlemen.
I ladies and gentlemen.
I am from
I am from
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
From Jharkhand.
No, I am from Uttar Pradesh. But you say that the Jharkhand.
Why did you say I'm from Jharkhand then?
But because you say that. Just I repeated
No
you.
problem, no problem. I am from London.
No, I am from Uttar Pradesh.
अरे अब तो repeat करना है.
Oh,
I am from London.
I am from London.
People say like that.
People say like
But I'm
that.
not from London.
But I am not from
Hey
London.
भैया.
Hey bhaiya, all
ऐसे.
brother. Hey bhaiya,
Hey भैया.
hey bhaiya.
जा तू एक बार कलैया.
जा एक बार तू कलैया.
Just kidding. Please, very nice. Bus
Thank you so
confidence.
much.
Very nice. Your identity master will beat you. Why the next person, please? Yes, please come. इधर आइए. Hello. How are you? Why are you so cool? You are like very cool as cucumber. Where are you from? कहाँ से हैं आप?
I from Gorakhpur.
हाथ ऐसे हाथ में हाथ डालिए. जैसे पार्क में घूमते हैं ना, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे. Yes. What happened? कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? इतनी अच्छे से पकड़े हैं. कोई नहीं. किन से बात करना चाहेंगे आप?
Hi.
वहाँ कौन? कोई तो है नहीं. Nobody is there. Talk to anybody.
Hello, man. What is your name?
My name is Raki Yadav. Thank you for asking. What is your name, sir?
My name is Virendra Maurya.
Okay, nice to meet you, sir.
Meet you too.
And where are you from, sir?
I am from Gorakhpur.
And who is he with you, sir?
Who am I?
Is she your girlfriend?
No,
Am I girlfriend?
No,
What?
You are holding him, his hand, so it's
Ooh.
you are like his girlfriend.
Am I girlfriend?
no.
She is saying I'm girlfriend.
So then who is she?
Tomorrow I'll wear sari, right? Okay, कोई नहीं. कुछ दिक्कत तो नहीं ना, बस कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए कराया जा रहा है.
Yes, sir.
अंग्रेजी वगैरह तो आराम से. चलो ठीक है. हेलो गाइस,
Hello, guys.
हाउ आर यू?
How are you?
चलो ठीक. अब हमसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, बस बताते रहना, ठीक है ना? ओके. Hey, where are you from?
I am from Devariya.
Why did you come here? Why did you come here? Tell me, please.
My
Why?
come here in English.
My come or I came?
I came in English speaking.
I came in English speaking. What do you want to say? You came for English speaking or speaking English. You came here for
English
learning English.
learning. English.
Okay, so tell me that you want to go Pakistan, Nepal in future. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
I am London.
I am London. So you are London. People want to go in you, right? You are London. How can you be London, sir? You are London, right? You said before some time you are London. So can I come into you? No problem. Please stand up. All right, Abhay, please come here. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. I am fine.
What
And
happened?
about you?
What happened here?
Sir, it is a...
Has somebody kissed you or what?
No, sir. Sir, it is a... Sir,
What?
pimples. Like
It's
the
a pimple?
Yes, sir.
I think someone has kissed you badly.
No, sir. Sir, it just...
Mosquito, man. Mosquito
no,
also
sir.
kisses.
No, sir.
Come here.
Okay.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
No, no, I will not do anything. What do you mean by that? I was going to have romance with him. It's not like that.
Sir, I
So,
don't
Mr. Abhay,
Yes, sir.
tell me, why should I talk to you?
Improve my English.
So your improvement, not my improvement, right?
Sure, sir, but came here improving my English.
Right,
Yes,
very
sir.
nice, very
Sir,
nice.
So,
Right now I'm talking to you, right?
yes,
right
sir.
now?
Right, sir.
So you are improving your English.
Yes, sir.
What is my benefit here?
Sir, it is...
It
Sir,
is?
not time. You're not benefit here that time.
Oh, I don't have benefit, right?
No,
Can
sir.
I go now?
No, sir. Sir,
So?
sir, I think, sir, sir, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि
I
आप-
understand English. I know English very well. What do you think? I don't know English.
No, sir.
You know English?
Yes, sir.
I also know English. My benefit is your happy benefit. Boli?
My benefits, it's your benefit.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I will speak English.
I will speak English
Yes.
Yes.
And I'm trying to speak English.
and I'm trying to speak English.
जाइए खड़े हो जाइए जल्दी से.
Thank you,
Very nice. All right. One of the most confident person here. Yes. Miss Jyoti. Aye, sit down, please.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. And my name is Jyoti Verma. I come from Gonda.
Go to people. Go to people.
I come from Gonda. And why I came here?
Good. Good.
Because improve my English and learn my English. I want to say
I want to say.
enhance my confidence
Okay. Okay.
through the cave, sir.
Thorough cab, sir.
Sorry.
Thorough, you know, पकड़ के फेंक दो cab, sir को. Through.
True.
हाँ, very nice. Through cab, sir.
Through cave, sir. And I want to say for cave, sir. Cave, sir.
Cave, sir. बेइज्जती आप cave, sir. इस cab, sir. कोई नहीं, जो बोलना है बोल दीजिए आप. हाँ.
Sorry, sir.
नहीं, थोड़ा हंसाया जरा ताकि confidence आ जाए. ठीक है. What is this?
This is bottle.
Really? हाँ, explain
and
कर.
less
Explain.
amount of water.
Very nice, very nice. And what is this?
What is this? Is
हाँ, yes. This is?
sticker, sir.
Okay, can I just take it out?
No, sir.
Why? This is used.
Its look is a completely.
Very nice. Everything is good. Yeah, very nice. So this bottle, you want to use it?
Yes, sir.
But this is used
Water
bottle.
is a very crucial
Oh wow.
part of the life.
Very nice, very nice. But someone
And
has.
I respect.
You respect
its
water bottle?
Water.
Not bottle.
Sir, don't both.
Both.
Yes, sir.
You want to use this bottle or not? You want to use?
I can use, but not
Not this bottle.
proper because okay.
Dhakkan. He said Dhakkan. No. If I give you this bottle, do you want to take?
Yes, sir.
Take this bottle. But this is used bottle. Why did you take? ठीक कोई बात नहीं. अच्छी कोशिश कर रही हैं आप. जाइए खड़े हो जाइए वहाँ पर. Alright. Who the next one? Kanchan, come on. Kanchan, you have to know. It's called. जाइए तो फटकार डालिए. जो वो नहीं कर पाए तो वही आपको करना है. And you can do it. Come on.
You are coming here.
Individual नहीं होगा. Individual नहीं होगा.
Why is India not developing, guys? Because of you boys. and you are always.
हंस दिए आप. Or you don't have to laugh. You have to be angry. India is not growing because of us, because of you, because of me.
Yes, because of us, because of you, because of me, because you don't understand our responsibility. What is our responsibilities? And you always smiling. Why are you smiling? Why I'm talking? Because you are not serious. You learn from Cap sir. You know who is he? He is come here and when he was nothing. But today he was an empire, and he was built an empire, and you trained you.
ठीक है, इतना बड़ा डायलॉग.
Yes, sir. I think my dialogue is not false, sir.
बोलो कैप सर struggled
Cap sir struggle here.
and he could not do anything.
No, he is doing everything here because of us.
Kanchan, what do you
Yes.
want to become first of all? Tell me. What do you want to become?
Sir, I want to become online educator
You want to become online educator,
Yes, sir.
right? Why online educator?
because sir, it's my mom dream.
It's your mom's dream.
Yes, sir. When I was watching my classes, my mom came every day. And one day he told me.
She told me?
One day she told me, Kanchan, I want to see on a YouTube one day.
Oh.
If possible, you can do for
you
me.
can upload one video and you can show your mother that I'm on YouTube now with zero,
But no.
zero subscribers, 0 views.
Yes, but she told me you struggle like your sir, and I have shown your videos when you talk in a Josh
Josh Talks,
in
right?
Josh Talks.
Okay.
My mother
Was
watched.
impressed.
Yes, and she gave a lot of blessing. You,
Oh my
sir.
God, धन्यवाद to
Because
your
and
mummy.
she told me, I think he is the right person. Then trained you.
And that's why you came here.
Yes, sir.
So you want to become online preceptor and educator, right?
Yes, sir.
But the teacher that you saw on Joe's Talks, he was not online educator. You saw him on online, but he was not online educator. He was offline educator. That's why he went there. So how could you go to Joe's Talks? Tell me. Struggle matters.
Yes, sir.
So in online
And,
education,
yes, sir. I listen your stories, and
so if you are inspired by some of the stories, you should also do something like CAF sir. Even
yes,
more
I will
than
try.
CAF sir.
Yes, sir. I will try.
But you are saying I want to become online educator. You want to teach by home, from home. You want to sit down in the kambal and you want to teach people by sitting and sleeping at home. Is this a struggle you are doing, or you will do?
No, sir. Actually, sir, in my before I came here, I'm making YouTube channels, but I
create
YouTube channels.
Created?
I created YouTube channel, and I make more videos, but my videos are not
Viral. Oh my
Because
goodness.
I have some problems. My speaking is not good.
Oh.
I'm not well explain any point like you. That's the reason.
That's why my videos are not viral.
Yes.
If you want to viral, you should speak in correct English. People will make you automatically viral.
Yes, and sir, I feel I have no quality to how to grab the people.
No, you have quality. You should start speaking in correct English. There is a boy, he jumps into the water and says, I am will going coming. He speaks wrong English, but he's viral. No problem. I really respect your struggle and hard work. One day you will grow, just like Phoenix. Please.